Hello and welcome to another edition of Screencasts Online. My name is Rosemary Orchard, and today's video is all about micro.blog. Micro.blog is many things. First of all, it is a community of microblogs. A microblog is more like what you would post to Twitter or perhaps Instagram than a full blog. But in addition to this, it is a content management system where you can have a full blog, just like you might have on WordPress or Squarespace, some popular alternatives. Micro.blog also offers video hosting and podcast hosting for microcasts and micro videos, where you can post short podcasts and short videos, all inside the same plan. Micro.blog offers a few different tiers. There's a free plan where you host your own blog and you can integrate it with micro.blog. There's the regular plan where you can have your own blog hosted on micro.blog. And there's a pro plan, which includes the podcast and video hosting. I'm going to start on the micro.blog website by signing up, and then we'll explore all of these options. So this is the micro.blog website, which you can find by going to micro.blog. And it's got a brief overview of how you can get started blogging with micro.blog and what micro.blog is. It also has links to things like the Discover timeline, which I'm going to get back to in a little bit. And if you scroll down, then you can see who runs micro.blog. That's Manton Rees with some help from G. McDonald and Jonathan Hayes. I'm going to scroll up to the top here and just click on Register.
That's just a quick preview of one of this week's Apple-related tutorials from Screencasts Online. Screencasts Online is your premium source of Apple-related video tutorials. All of our members get access to brand new, up-to-date tutorials each week, as well as unlimited access to our entire video archive full of Mac and iOS-related tutorials. You can stream and download all of our videos on your Mac, iPad and iPhone, and even your Apple TV using the members-only Screencasts Online Apple TV app. Membership also includes a complimentary subscription to the digital Screencasts Online monthly magazine, published each month and packed with videos, articles, reviews, as well as hints and tips covering all aspects of the Mac, iPad, iPhone, and all of the other fantastic Apple products. So, if you're ready to start getting the most out of your Apple devices, visit screencastsonline.com today and become a Screencasts Online member.